Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to do flicker flash on Capcut. Without further ado, let's get started. First, select your video and then go to adjust and then change the sharpness for about 40. Now select the apply to all. Now go to overlay and add your white picture. Now after that, adjust and drag it. Now click the spice and choose overlay. You can adjust this one. After that, duplicate this overlay and add it also to other videos. Now after that, go to text and type a dot. Now after that, go to styles and change its opacity for about 15. Now after that, go to animations and then select the loop. And then find the flash effect. Now change its speed to the fastest one. Now adjust its size to your entire video. And after that, duplicate that text and add it also to other videos. And now this is how it looks like. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.